check out these beautiful counter height bar stools. REONEY sent these to me to take a look at, so let's just get into it. I love that they are 360-degree swivel chairs. They're super, super comfortable. They're really padded. This is actually a vegan leather. It's got really nice high quality stitching. I inspected it very closely all the way around. And again, the padding is very premium and high quality. One thing that I really love about these is that the feet on them are actually adjustable. So if you for some reason have uneven floors, you can actually adjust those feet, which is really cool. And I just love the way these look here in my kitchen. I'm just showing you here. I love the design on the back of the chair. It does have kind of like a retro vibe, which is perfect for this space, and they're honestly just really stunningly beautiful. Again, these are counter height. They're going to work for just a standard counter, probably not a bar. So you're going to want to make sure you do your measurements, but they just look absolutely beautiful, super high quality, and just a really lovely piece of furniture to add to your collection. Really going to give this space an elevated look, honestly. I love it. And I love that swivel too.